So you showed me some of my options of using replacements. We saw it using the matcher. I would like to be able to do other replacements. Am I limited to using the matcher, or are there other options?
Oh, yeah, actually we have some other options. I prepared something for you here. Let's take a closer look to the object method replace all that can be used directly on any kind of string. And I've prepared the following little sample here. Let's take it to our Groovy console. So we have a little text here, hello foo, right? And immediately after we finished the text string, either with single quotes or double quotes, doesn't matter, I can immediately use the dot and then replace all. And be careful, this is case sensitive. So this identifies now the method tied to the string object, and we can replace with the parameters foo. So we are searching foo, and then with the comma separated with what? In this case, world. And when we execute the script, you get hello world. So this is a simple possibility here, directly given from Groovy. So dot replace all, case sensitive, and then we have the parameter what we are searching for and what we want to change to. Now, because we are in Groovy and we saw a lot of regular expression, and I show you here the next sample. So also in the replace all, we have access to regular expression, and you see it looks strange, right? So I have a different color code here so that you really can see whatever is here inside our, you remember?
The slashy strings.
Right. And there we have everything seems to be everything seems to be completely different from what we have in the text so far. Because everything is a regular expression special character or character class. And we have here the lower W in curly brackets, the 3. This means a word or word. No, actually, every kind of word character. So it's going to be A to Z, uppercase, lowercase, and even the underscore is allowed.
We've seen before, right?
Right.
Seems familiar.
So we have character. So 3 characters from this character class, but with the B kind of word boundary. So they must be glued together. So a space before and a space behind identifies this as a word. And it looks funny. So we have hello foo bike at Foo Road and search for a word boundary with 3 characters and replace with bar. And you see we get hello bar bike at bar road. So only the foos, they have been changed here. So with the replace all gives you now the possibility, in combination with the regular expression, to have more detailed possibilities here actually.
Okay, and that means that, let's say I didn't have foo twice, let's say I have foo and then boo. So because it's 3 characters, then it all works, right?
Yeah, let's take a look. So let's say hello foo and boo bike at Foo Road, we would get bar bar, right? Hello bar bike at bar road, right?
All right.
And as I said, the underscore is still a character. Yeah, so we still have bar, but when I have a dot, it shouldn't be not, you see, because the dot is not part of the character set that is defined by the W. You know, so this is the special case. It's here in the combination with the word boundary and the W. But anyway, you are not limited to this kind of regular expression, right? So when we move on with our samples, you will see there are much more you can put here inside.
Okay, following so far.
Yeah.